Hi everybody from YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, press like, hit the bell so more people can see the videos and work on their cars. On this video I have a C598 Corvette, the working on the control panel, air condition control panel. It was only blowing hot. The screen was out, no screen, no numbers. A couple buttons work, but the button to move the band over there from hot and cold, it don't do nothing. Okay, to take this console you remove those nuts, lift this part right here to remove these two nuts right here, and remove the screw down there. It's a T screw, and the one on the here on this side is another screw, and one right there on the air band that goes right there, and then carefully pull it back and get it out. This is the control panel. This one right here, that's the driver's side, didn't work, got hot and cold. Passenger side, hot and cold, and the screen was black. No, it wasn't lighting up at all. So I take it apart already. Take 4 screws, take the cover off, the piece off, where we gonna solder 4 circuits in there. They're like resistance, maybe, I don't know. This is the other part, which is this one comes over here on this backwards like this. You got 4 bolts. Take it off, pull this car off, disconnect it from here, from there, get it out, and that's those 8 little cars right there. That's the ones are bad. They're not bad, but heat and cold, heat and getting overheated, they crack. The welders crack. I don't know if you're able to see the cracks. Hold on, let me see. But as you can tell where they're crack. I see one that's like off. Lift them up. Let's see. See where you see all the rust in there, corrosion. That's where they crack. So they all need to be soldered, re-soldered, and that should make it work it back again. I'm going to resolder this one and put another video to see the difference. Right there on this one you can tell that it's off the bore. You see right there, it's lift up from the bore. It's not even touching the bore no more. Right there where you see the corrosion in it. Let's see if we can get better shot. See the crack right there? Right there. Okay, so they all crack. Well, some not crack, but they're almost all over there crack and corroded. Resolve all those cards. That should make it work. Put it back together, and that fix your problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, press like, hit the bell for more videos. Thank you.